All right. We are doing some set theory. Just starting off, we've got the web over here. All right, next. Implication. All right, so we got A is a subset of B. X is in B implies X is in C, which is the same thing as B is a subset of A. So what do they want us to use? They want us to use intro. I don't think you even have to use. Do you? All right. I prefer to do this in a text editor. So I just clone the repo. It's not working. Oh, okay. Because, yeah, here's the answer. Exact H2. What? Oh, okay. Because the intro. Can also format like this. Okay, let's put a sorry in there for now. Okay, I think they want us to use have, so you have this intermediary. So we're going to say we have x of a. X in A implies X is in B, and X is in B implies X is in C. Okay, I think you can do X is in B by H1, H3, right? Okay, so yeah, so we got a new X's in B, and then we can just do exact H2, H4, right? Yeah. So another way to write this is like makes it a little bit more obvious how you are applying assumptions, right? No, I think we can get rid of this, right? We can also just get rid of that. Okay, and we can put this in. Fancy Haskell. Okay, that is cool. All right, now let us try to write it ourselves. Okay, so X is in U. Why did you really need this? I don't think you need this. Yeah, you don't. This is one reason I like cloning the repo, because you can really play with this a little bit more. All right, so let's say the hypotheses. Okay, we got A, B, and C in the same universe. A subset equal to B. Right, and then we have X in A, And then lastly, we have a goal of X in C, all right? All right, well, let's try to write this. Okay, so we have A, B, C is in, is it U? Is it type of U? No, I don't even remember. That's why it's good to try this. Okay, so now we have A, I'll name this A subset eq B. Is in C. X is on I. And that leads to a goal of X is in C. So I'm trying, okay, I get rid of that. Okay, so is this, okay. All right. So at least we've written the type signature in a way it's not complaining terribly. I'm just going to rename these just for fun. Just to see that the name doesn't matter. We're not just kind of remembering what we did before. I think you can do this in term mode. You would just apply. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And if you want to do it in tactic mode, then boom. All right. We can do it in the web too. Why not? And we can just say exact. Oh, I think this is the previous problem. That's fine. Wasn't there another? Wait. Okay, no, this is this. Okay, this is the next problem. We just did 3. Now we got to go to 4. Imp. All right, so let's. Oh, I got a big one. Got a big one. Change this to example. All right, let's get rid of the hints. Okay, so A is a subset of B. X is a subset of C. Okay, so it's really the same thing. So it's written a little bit different. Now the goal is a compound type, this implication. Right, we can even say H3 is X in A. I can't do that. Okay. Can do check H3. Yes. X is an A.